My name is Geisha, and I am 13 years old. I study in Class 8 at Crescent Model School. I live in Lahore with my parents and two younger brothers. I am a cheerful and curious girl. I love to ask questions and learn new things every day. My teachers say I am hardworking and responsible. My favorite subjects are English, science, and art. I enjoy reading stories, doing experiments, and drawing creative pictures. I also like to play badminton in the evening with my friends. It helps me stay active and healthy. Sometimes, I play board games with my brothers. At home, I help my mother with small chores like setting the table and watering the plants. I believe helping at home builds good habits. I wake up early every morning and follow a routine. I believe discipline is important for success in life. I try to manage my time wisely. My dream is to become a doctor one day. I want to help people and make them feel better. I admire doctors for their dedication and care. I also love reading books. My favorite author is J.K. Rowling because I enjoy the Harry Potter series. Books take me to a magical world. On weekends, I like to watch movies with my family or go to the park. I enjoy spending time outdoors and with loved ones. I believe in being kind and respectful to others. My parents have taught me to speak politely and always help those in need. I learn from my mistakes and try to improve every day. I know I'm not perfect, but I always try to do better than yesterday. This is who I am, a girl who dreams big, works hard, and wants to make a positive difference in the world. Thank you for knowing me.